Very different, yeah.
We got some more physical atmosphere in the house. Physical stuff that moves.
Oh, yeah.
I saw my bed move by itself.
Oh, yeah, and I heard after you went upstairs, I heard the trash can go ding, and it moved.
Knocked a cup over.
Knocked the cup over.
The atmosphere, it was moving atmosphere, so.
Yeah, in the bedroom.
I heard something upstairs that I saw it knocked over.
You never did that before, had it?
Not in a long time.
It's upset about something.
Mm-hmm.
Not with us, though.
Physically moving. Again. Cool.
No.
And it's physically moving again. I watched the bed move by itself. Yes, I had the window open, but that wasn't the window.
It wasn't the window.
It wasn't the window. I know it wasn't. The way it was moved was not the window. Because if it was blown, if the bag was blown from the window to the wind,
It couldn't have been.
it would have been sideways.
The wind wasn't strong enough for that.
No, but it would have been sideways. The wind this way.
And the cup fell over by itself.
Yeah, it did.
Did anything else move?
No.
The bag moved and the cup. The cup fall on the floor.
Yeah.
Did it spill everything?
I picked it up.
Oh, nothing was in the cup though.
There's a little stuff in it, but it was like this much.
Did you clean it up?
I did clean it up.
Yeah, something's not happy.
No.
I heard a ding after you went upstairs. I heard the trash can go. Ding-dong.
That would surprise me.
It does that sometimes.
I've heard that before.
I heard cabinets open when I'm upstairs, when I'm in the other room.
Yeah.
Yep. Her cabinets open by themselves and shut.
Yep.
Even drawers open by themselves and shut. I heard it. I heard it. Oh, I don't know which drawer, but I checked them all and nothing was in it. No, nothing. I just want to see if it put something there. It didn't.
Ooh.
I heard footsteps in the kitchen around me.
Yeah.
I know it wasn't the animals or it wasn't the dogs at the time. I heard it when after Tookie died.
Yeah.
I know it wasn't that. No.
No.
It wasn't Jamaica.
No.
See what time it is.
Right.
5:08. It was a 5:03.
Nice 503 or 508.
5:08.
503. We had 501. You had 503.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys had 503.
Yeah. We had 5:03, and I had 5:01 for the 3R.
501 for all those 3 years.
That room was a little too small for you guys.
We didn't have much kids.
No.
No, we didn't. We didn't have
Is that
much
why
people.
she moved to the bigger one? Because we had more kids?
I told her to move because she's probably like, yeah, you don't need this room anymore. You got more kids.
I don't know why they put 3R in that small one. Then he had a 3R room across 503 too.
They did.
Yeah.
What was that the disabled room?
That was once, then it became the 3R room. And the disabled room was across the 501.
That was always across from 501.
Yeah, the disabled one. Yeah, then there's the one that's across from 503 was 3R, another 3R room.
Oh, okay. Because I thought that was supposed to be extended to the disabled room.
No.
Like the handicap.
It was, but then they put a divider up. They need more.
Yeah, that room was small.
They needed more 3R. So. Yeah, both rooms are small.
Then why did they do that?
I don't know. It was very small.
That's why they had it. Idiots. Jackie wanted that for the room. So kids could stretch out.
Yeah.
And move around.